took control, but now I'm gone bye-bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. That's all that I get from you. You're so delusional. Now watch me.
Hello and welcome back to my channel and to another video. In today's video, it is all about that laundry routine. Everyone's got one, and mine in this particular video was just a little out of control. We had been sick here in my household for a while, and it just piled up and piled up. Being that it is going into winter in Australia, sickness is normal. It's just a really bad time in the world to be sick, I suppose. But with everything going on, and on top of that and being so busy, all of our laundry just got put on the back burner and it was time to catch up. This video actually took me a couple of days because there was no way I was getting through that many piles of washing in just one day. Usually what my laundry routine consists of is me smashing everything out in one day, but that just didn't happen. So if you would like to see how I caught up on everything, just keep watching.
I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love's gone. Now I'm coming around, gotta stick in.
So the first thing that I do on any laundry day is make the bed. Our room is where I sort through, organize and fold all the clean washing, so the bed needs to be made.
Let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Once we had it all, how could you let us fall? I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone, all the love is gone. Now I'm coming around, got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you, I'm gonna let you go. Let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go, let you go, let you go. I'm gonna stick
So
it to
this was
you.
day one, and I already had a couple of loads already washed and ready to be folded. In the end, my partner came home and actually ended up folding all these while I was halfway through washing the rest of the clothes on this day. What I usually do is wash everything and then just fold everything all at once. That's just what I do, so I'm not doing it all day, and I can do other things during that time. But this day he ended up folding those two loads, and here I am now just gathering up all the dirty washing and taking it on into the laundry.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're medicine.
After gathering up all the dirty washing, the first thing that I'm going to do is organize all the baskets and then sort them into piles. This is honestly the most washing that I've ever had to do ever. I've never let it pile up this much, but life happens, and this is just the end result of that. So usually what we do is organize it into towels, my son's clothes and our underwear, and then lights, darks, jeans and work clothes, and then obviously any bedding and blankets are in a separate load again.
Yeah, you'll be the death of me still, you're medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you.
our time off from doing the laundry, that's just what I'm going to call it from now, is this little area here become a dumping ground for all the random things, bedding, blankets. There was even a pillow, and it just drove me nuts. It drives me nuts, this kind of aspect of us being all out and down for the count, and no one keeping up with general housework. But this I was so glad to clean up. But once that was all sorted through and organized into piles, it was time to sweep up the laundry. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dirt in here, but that's because our back door in the laundry that's behind me there stays open all of the time for fire safety sake with our dryer, and because of that, dust just flies on in. It's the dirtiest room in the house always, because this being a new build, there's a lot of dirt, empty dirt around, because there's no grass, because they've ripped it all up during the process of building. But because of that, this room gets so dirty and dusty all of the time, and I cannot walk on it. I just can't ignore it. Some people might be able to, but I just can't. So that has to get cleaned up first. So in total, I have probably 3, probably 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8, 9, 10, 11 loads of laundry to do. I have kind of been slack over these last few weeks because we've been sick, not well, and really busy. So no washing has really got done. We've just washed things when we've needed them, and the rest has got ignored. But today, for the week, normally this is what happens. Generally it piles up, and I just spend one day, once a week, going crazy and washing it all, but we have ignored it for a couple of weeks, so it's crazy. So now that everything is organized, cleaned up and tidied up, it is finally time to start that first load of washing. Usually I clean our son's clothes, and all the little bits of underwear and things like that just go all in one load because it's a clean load, and it just, all the little bits get done together so they don't get tangled up in all the bigger bits. So that's normally the first load we do, and then we just keep on following it off from there.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets who made. You getting inside my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting inside my brain. You getting inside my brain. You're new to me, I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets who made. You getting inside my brain, I feel emotionally drained.
As you can see, there's been an outfit changed, and we are on to day 2 of me doing all these loads of washing, and it just keeps going.
You're getting inside my brain. You're getting inside my brain. You're getting inside my brain. You're getting inside my brain.
So as you're about to see here, I did just go and hang up this last load of washing just so I could break up the use of the dryer and get things done quicker. And now we are finally on to day 3, and it is finally the last day of this whole process. But as you can tell, I am wearing a robe and isolation is sending me a little cuckoo and deciding to get a little creative with my outfits so I don't feel so gross. But we are finally done with all the washing and it's time to fold it. During this time, usually I do decide to put something on YouTube and watch it. But about halfway through, my son does usually come in and steal the laptop and take over whatever I'm watching at the time and try to help in quotation marks me out with the folding. He is only 2, he is almost going to be 3 in May, but he is tall for his age, so he does get mistaken for a lot older, so he's still learning on how to help mama best. So now that I am finally done putting away all of those clothes, it is time to sort out these last 2 baskets. The first one is just my partner's work clothes that he likes to sort out, so I just put that in our cupboard for him. And the last one is our son's stuff, which I pick up and take off into his room and fold and put away there. And by the end of this, my son usually makes a tower out of pillows. He loves doing this, but it's just an extra thing for me to clean up. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.